everyone. Today I'm going to be explaining how thought patterns are like ocean waves. Most people like the beach and the ocean. Imagine you're on a boat. Everything is good and the sea is calm. And you're just chilling. When suddenly you get notice that a giant wave is headed towards your boat. Imagine this is negative thoughts or thought patterns. Instead of letting your boat be dominated by the force or going full force into the wave, you carefully accept the wave is coming and you try to ease your way through it. So what does this have to do with thoughts and thought? I believe that when you're in a bit of a creative rut or something, you know you are going to keep having negative thoughts and thinking you should just give up. Like with the waves example, find the root of those thoughts and ride through. Like with the wave example, try to find the root of those thoughts and ride through and don't give up. Just brace yourself and feel what you feel. And know you have calmer seas ahead. Try to trace down the trail of your thought. Pinpoint specifically what is causing your personal boat to be vulnerable to waves. For example, if you're working on a project like a presentation, first use HALT. Hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. I would see if I need some water or an energy boost like in fruit or another healthy snack. Self-care is extra important when dealing with projects and overwhelm. Next, instead of thinking of just angry, like possible anger, look for anxiety or seeds of doubt. Make a list of what is going well with your project or your concerns or negative thoughts after you have allowed yourself to feel. Take those feelings to paper. If it's journaling or even simple explanation on your to-do list. For example, I think people will find my project is boring. This is because I feel it is not worthy of people's time. Now let's move on to the lonely category. Do I need a break? Ask yourself. Do I need a break, encouragement, or a fresh set of eyes? Now the last, tired. Do you need a fresh set of eyes, but don't have another one to volunteer? Step away for a bit. Try to distract yourself. Dive into a few chapters of your current read. Listen to music, audiobooks, or maybe even meditate. Calm those waves and let your boat float smoothly. It's very nice to be having another video with you guys. I apologize for my attire, but this video is being made in the middle of the night, so I appreciate if you could just look past that. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.